Alrighty, welcome back to another video. We're back again. Um, so today's video we're not really gonna be on Roblox. We're gonna be on Roblox Studio because somebody posted a video idea in the comments and they asked they asked me to make a Roblox game using just AI. So we're on ChatGPT. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Now I already kind of started it because I wanted to actually see if they can like start it up. So here's basically what I did. Alright, so here's basically what I wrote to him. So let's just get straight into the video and make the Roblox game using just AI. Alright, so this is what I basically set up here. So I asked them, are you able to make a Roblox game? Don't know why I put it in caps. And I'm just give you a short rundown for everything here. So they said, yes, I can help you create a Roblox game from concept, blah, blah, blah. To get started, I'll need a bit more information from you. Alright, they asked me what kind of game I want to make. What do I need help with? And then I said, it's going to be a shooter or PvP arena. And I need help with the whole thing because I want them to do the whole thing. Alright? So he said, awesome, a shooter slash PvP arena game is a great choice, blah, blah, blah. Alright, now they said, let's build your Roblox shooter slash PvP game step by step. Step 1, game plan, game name, style, theme, map size, game model's perspective. Step 2, they'll generate most of it. Like the core game loop, the weapon system, respawn system, team setup or solo, FFA logic, UI, health, ammo, score timer, like basic map layout. And then they said Roblox Studio and a free plugin. My plugins are a tool grip editor and a plugin that can give me my gun models. So now they're like, what theme do you want? Free for all or teams, first person, third person, and what the game name. So I said I want it to be a Chicago hood based game. It should be a free for all game, and I want it in third and first person, and the game will be named Airs Projects. This is just for now. Alright. Sorry if I'm sniffling because I'm a little sick. Alright. So now they're talking about, alright, the game concept. Alright, so now they're like basic map setup, like a gritty urban environment with like small houses, like abandoned cars, fences, basketball hoops, courts, or whatever, like for realism, as you can see here. It's like the gun system. We'll build gun tool, M9 or Glock style, shooting with damage, reloading and ammo, sound plus hit effects, first person toggle, shift or F, a free for all combat logic, just like that. Alright, so like spawning system, health system, kill counter, UI, leaderboard, respawning with delay, stuff like that. Alright, so now they gave us our first script. So they're like, let's start with the weapon system. Here's your starter gun, a basic semi-auto pistol. Starter pack, blah, 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 blah. Alright, paste this in a script inside a tool called Glock 9. Alright, this is the script right here. If you want to go ahead and steal it from me, I don't care. It's yours to take. Alright, and then they're telling me add this under Glock 9 handle. Alright, sound, object name, shoot sound, or I can copy and paste the ID right here. It's their average shooting sound. Alright, and then I'll guide you through it. Map layout, all that stuff. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go starter pack. We're gonna, again, I have no game making experience, by the way, so let's just get into Roblox Studio and start. Alright, so we actually made it into Roblox Studio right here. Alright, so I just opened a normal base plate, like as you can see right here, with the spawn point thingy. Alright, so I have no experience in coding, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back over to ChatGPT right here, and basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and ask, where should I put this code? Where should I put the code that you provided? Alright, so I asked, where should I put the gun code that you provided? And they said, create the tool gun. So they said, in the Explorer, right-click Starter Pack, insert tool, and then tool. Alright? So, right here, it says, Starter Pack, right-click that. Wait. Insert alright, so it says Starter Pack, insert object, and then tool, and then rename the tool Glock 9. Glock 9. Oh, shoot, I just add the number. All right, now back over here, it says to go ahead and right click Glock 9, insert part, and then name it handle. This is required because tool needs a handle. All right, right click this, insert part, name it handle. All right, right click, insert part, and then name that handle. All right, now after we do that, it says resize it into a basic gun shape if you want. Anchor false, can collide equals false. Select handle and properties and set tool grip to match how you want it held. Wait, I don't know how to do this, guys. Let's go over it again. All right, bro, so we're gonna change this whole thing up. All right, so instead of this, I think I'm gonna say I want the guns to have to be purchased, right? Purchased, I think I spelled that wrong, in a gun store. All right, perfect. Adding a gun store system will be purchasable. Players walk into a gun store NPC area, create a gun store building. In Roblox Studio, add a part gun store, create a small Alright, I think we're just going to do what it says. Alright, so it says they press a GUI button on the store menu. The store shows a list of guns with prices. They have to purchase a gun. It gets added to the inventory or given instantly. Guns persist only during the session or permanently if you want data stores later. Alright, in Roblox Studio, create a small store interior. So I'm pretty sure I have a gun store somewhere, but I don't think I do. So, gun store. So let's just search up any gun store and see where we can get with that, how far we can get with that as well. All right. So as that's loading, because I don't know what's wrong with my internet, it says create a small store interior, add a part called gun store trigger, a transparent can collide, a equals false part. This will detect when the player enters the store. Optional, add a gun dealer NPC or gun store sign. Store GUI setup, Explorer setup, Starter GUI, Screen GUI, Gun Store GUI, Gun Store UI frame. I'll give you the UI and script next. Alright. Alright, whoa. Alright, I think they did it wrong. So I'm gonna delete this. Alright, so the gun stores, alright, so I think I know what to do this. I'm gonna make the gun store myself. So this one's 66, 79, 76. None of these have ratings. So do we just do this one or a realistic gun store? Oh, this is 72, 48. Alright, what if we do gun dealer? Alright. Alright, I don't know how to do this, bro. Wait, so isn't there like a thingy? It's like plugins, and it's like a character loader. Like you can load your character, I think. I mean, I don't really know. Custom NPC maker for $4. I don't know if we're doing that. Load character. Yeah, that's what it is, but I didn't know it costed money. I doubt it costed money. Can I view my plugins? Load character. Alright, alright, so spawn at origin. Spawn R6. Bro, that is not me. Alright, they spawned me. Why am I gray? So basically, I'm gonna, okay. That's a little weird, buddy. Block that out. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna be the gun dealer. And I think I could close that now. So I'm gonna be selling all the guns that you can buy in the game. Hopefully the clothes does. So I'm pretty sure there's something you can do to change the name. I don't know how to do it. It's just gonna be me. My clothes aren't loading. I don't know why my clothes aren't loading. So basically, I kind of want it to give me a map first. I kind of need a map. All right, bro. So I got the map. Like here, this is just a map. All right, we just have a map here. So now that we have our map set up, we need to put myself, the gun dealer, somewhere. All right. So basically, I'm just gonna grab myself. I'm gonna put myself somewhere. I think right here is good. Alright, so now, instead of doing all this goofy stuff that they want me to do here, I'm just going to use Alpha Engine. Alright, Alpha Engine is probably the best, like plugin for, like, guns. Like, the stuff they add for this thing is, like, mad realistic. Alright, technically, I didn't really do much except go on a Discord and download it, which is not that much of something. Is there anything in these buildings? We might add that. We might add that. Because there's a window, obviously, so we could add, like, an interior. Alright, so I think the only way you can do this if you go in File and you, game settings. And then you go, like, somewhere over here, like, localization or something. So I'm gonna come back after I get it set up. I'm gonna just do all of this and then come back. Alright, so I got it working again. So now all you need to do is really not that much. Just like allow it, the API services or whatever. So I got the Alpha UI right here. So this is basically everything we need. We already got it done. Alright, so in the starter player, there's alpha values, I guess. I just need to find out how to, because I left the Discord server that it was already in, which is like not that good. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that because I really don't know how this works. So I don't know where to get everything. Temp folder. I'm gonna figure this out and then come back because I don't even know how to get the models for it. Alright, so we finally got it working, but that took way too long, I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, but thing right here is we have everything here, I think. So we have an M4A1 as our only thing right here, and basically you put this to model, put this to tool, I don't know really what to do, but this is readme. But we want the Glock 19, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to go to the Discord, so I'll meet you when I get there. Alrighty, so we're in their Discord right now. Also, one thing, make sure to join my Discord, because, like, it's an amazing Discord to join. Alright, so what you do when you get in this Discord, if you find the link, you found the link. I might put it in the description down below. I don't know. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to conversions, alright? Once you're in conversions, you can find the stuff you want. We're looking for the infamous Glock 19. This is the infamous Glock 19 that we have here. So basically, we're just going to download this model. Alright. And after we've downloaded it, we're going to go over back to studio. Alright. I think that's how we do it. I don't know, actually. Let me figure this out. Alright, so I finally got it working. We got the Glock 19. So, the config mods, models, and tools. So basically what I think we do is we just add it to this right here. So Glock 19 goes in here. The Glock 19 model goes in there, I think. And then this, we'll just put it in the starter pack for now, just cause like I want to. Alright, so basically now let's just get in the game and see if what we did works. Let me show y'all how good it's it's good. Like, I'm telling you right now, like it's good. So we're gonna go ahead and get in our game. We're gonna test our game. We're gonna see how it is. I'm sorry if it's laggy. I was told that the playback is sort of laggy. But once again, we're just gonna deal with it. Can't do much about it. Alright. I just wanted to say again, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because it's gonna be a pretty long series. All right, this has been a difficult video to make. Alrighty, I'm telling you right here, right now, this video was not easy to create. So I'm inside the server here. I should have probably just gave myself admin, but I'm gonna give myself custom animations and stuff, so it's not. So yeah, I don't have clothes in the game, and my character doesn't have clothes in the game. I think it's just not loaded. Alright, but let me show y'all. This is the if I did it right, let me show y'all. Alright, so after a unfortunately extremely long time, I finally got it working, bro. Oh my god, bro. That took like way longer than I wanted it to take, and that is not a good thing. Alright, now because of that, we still got it working, so glad for that at the least, because if we didn't get it working, it wouldn't have been working. But it's working, so you gotta be happy. You gotta be happy for that. Alright, so basically all I gotta do is show you basically what it looks like. This is really good. So let me show you the M4A1. This gun probably won't get used for in the actual game, but let me show you. Alright, it's not loaded. Alright, but what the freak, I think I messed it up again. But let me show you the pistol. Maybe the Glock 9. Yes, so this is what the Glock 19 looks like. This is a very graphically demanding game. This is gonna be that. So look at that, bro. You see how it like? Oh my god! Like, just look at that. Just look at that, bro. All right, and then you can go like if you use your left control and then Z. I think it puts you in third person. No, it doesn't do that. All right, so we're gonna have to fix that. But like this is it right there. Now I don't want it to only be first person. Obviously, I kind of want it to be third person. But this is the M4A1. Look at the side. If you're going like this, it looks like that. Like this, boom, forward like that. You see, like it has the movement blur and everything. It has the sliding, all of that. All right, it has multiple modes too. You can reloading is like actually tough. Oh my god, bro. Like the premium version, whenever you do it, it's like an animation. Like if you use all your bullets and stuff. Let me go to fully auto. Use all your bullets and stuff. Alright, there's no automatic reload, so you gotta reload on your own though, bro. Alright, but you reload. The premium version will have you look down at your pocket and pick up the thingy from your own pocket. That right there is detail in a nutshell. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do for the rest of this video is I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse of me using AI to get this to be the gun shop person. Oh, you can enter here. So basically, I think what I'm gonna do is there's gonna be safes, and you just walk into the room to where, so there's only one. So you walk in here, there's gonna be a safe on the floor, so you can store the guns that you have before you leave the game. And I'll do like a data storage thing. But this game is gonna be actually like crazy good. I'm just gonna add HD admin real quick so I can fly around the place and explore the map, and then I mean, just like that, the game will be made, bro. So let's cue the time lapse. Let's use AI to make the gun shop owner. And I'm also gonna disable respawn because they could be getting shot at and just respawn. And no, we're not letting that happen, bro. I'm gonna disable respawn, just like most hood games. So, I mean, yeah, that's basically it. So let's use AI to do this. So we are back after a very, very long time, bro. I started recording this video at 12 and it is now 8:50, bro. I've spent 8 hours making this video, bro. 8 hours. Well, not 8 hours cuz I took like 4 breaks. But like I've spent about 4 or 5 hours, like 6 years. I'm kidding. But like 4 or 5 hours making this video, bro. 4 or 5 hours making this video. I can't post today because I spent 4 hours making this video. So this video will come out the day after. This video will come out on the 17th. Sorry. But it'll come out early in the morning, so we're good. So we might be able to push out 2 videos. So I'm going to lower the server size to like 25. But make sure to go ahead and like the game, favorite the game. The only way you can play the game is by going to my group and playing it there. My clothes are finally loading, alright? It's just whatever was broken there. So basically what I did, I gave myself admin, did this. Basically, so you interact with this. I made sure it worked with controller. I just checked on my PlayStation. So basically it opens the UI and you can buy a store. But as you can see, I have no money. I also haven't coded the money in. So if I go like this, what? Alright, my admin doesn't. Okay, so basically, there's 2 banks right here. This took me probably the most time to code. It took me like 2 hours to code all of this stuff. So I just cut it out of the time lapse because this video is already like 30 minutes long. I don't even know yet. I've been recording for like 5 hours, bro. God dang. So basically, oh shoot, I forgot to have. How do you like undo fly? Like, do you just do fly again? Okay, disable. Alright, just go like this. And basically, you just do this. Boom. And then you wait for this one to go off. Hopefully you don't get killed by somebody, because you can't get killed by somebody. There's no safe zones in the game. Alright, so you can get killed as you're like getting a gun, which is crazy. So basically walk in here, boom, it's drilling now. Alright, then an alarm will sound off. What I'm gonna do is when the alarm sounds off, I'll put a notification like, the bank is being robbed. You have 60 seconds to get all the cash. Alright, so basically you come here, and you just claim your cash. I'm too lazy to do all this, even though it doesn't take that long to do. And of course it doesn't want to work. Oh no, it does. I'm just lazy. Alright, it's a random amount of numbers that the cash gives you. I got $2,000. That's good. Unfortunately, I was too lazy to code all of the thingies for it. But basically, this bank is just the same thing. Shoot. This bank is just the same thing. Places your same stuffs. Blah blah blah. I'm really laggy. When you enter, you're here. And if you become an admin, and what I'm gonna do is the first 10 people who are in my group can become an admin, and basically it just gives me the cash. You could just grind cash by just like no clipping into here. And basically that's it. I'm gonna add invisible walls, but everything that I add to the game, I need to record myself adding to the game. So yeah, basically we didn't get that far, but this took a long time. For somebody who has no scripting experience or anything, this is pretty good progress. I basically just like talked to Lil Bro over here for like hours and hours and hours on end. I just kept on doing it and kept on talking, but that's it. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment down. So actually, no, don't comment down no video ideas, because if somebody puts a really good video idea and it takes me off of this, then I'm gonna get flamed for breaking this off. Oh yeah, I should probably show y'all that the guns work, because I can't get money. Wait, I think I can do give 1,000 cash, or is it give cash 1,000? Give cash 1,000, because I'm pretty sure. Alright, I don't think it works. Alright, but if I do give all, I'm deleting these off because this is like doesn't matter, but this is the admin sword right here. So you have to be an admin to get this sword, and it's basically a one-hit kill with like really long range. Like the hitbox, I made it like it's like all around here, so I could just be spamming it while walking in God, and like you can't do anything about it. So yeah, but this is the gun, obviously, as you can see. let me show y'all this right quick. I couldn't get the third person to start working, unfortunately. But oh no, it does work. It does work now. So basically this, yeah, basically, and then you can click Q to shoot. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's my flight. So basically, if you're like at a corner, like this, you could go like, basically like that to shoot past the corner, and you can reload while holding E down. And basically, you can like shoot like that. You can't really see because my head. Yeah, so like, I think it's broken because it's supposed to be like, the door's supposed to break down. But basically, yeah, a lot of people don't like doing it like this. They want to have their mouse move. I don't see how it makes a difference, but don't worry, I will get it done, alright? So you can move your mouse where you shoot instead of having this restricted old thingy here. But, I mean, you gotta keep in mind, bro, this is my first time ever building a game. Well, as you can see, it's not. But, like, the map, like, all of this, the whole thing took a while. So, yeah, we're gonna be adding a dealership with vehicles and all that stuff. The map's gonna get bigger every week. We're gonna have updates. So yeah, just make sure to like, subscribe, and like comment down below what you want me to add. Instead of video ideas, comment down below what you want me to add to the game. Alright. If you're in my group right now, alright, after when I post the second video of the series, if you've already been in my group, I'll give you that in if you want it. Obviously, I don't want you to break the game, so you're just gonna get mod stuff, so you can't kick people or anything. Use it, and like lower restrictions, so it's even harder to abuse it. Basically, you'll just have flight, no clip, and then the admin, so and yes, you can fly with your gun in hand. All of that. And don't even worry, because you can do third person. And I was kicked. Oh, shoot. I forgot about this. They think I'm exploiting. I completely forgot about all that. So yeah, I might have been banned by ROBLOX, but you never know. Alright? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ahoy there, ahoy.